Hey Kenneth, it's Xavier here from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry on the Kona. As you see, I have one right behind me. This is a beautiful 2019 redesigned model. If you notice, it comes with the honeycomb grille, LED wraparound headlights, LED daytime running lights. It's also going to come equipped with premium alloy wheels and tons of our latest safety features like blind spot detection. Follow me, I'll show you inside. This vehicle is going to come equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay as well as Android CarPlay, Bluetooth, heated seats, but that's not the best part about it. Kenneth, the best part about this vehicle is going to be the warranty. Our warranty here is going to be 5 years, 60,000 mile bumper to bumper, as well as a 20-year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty exclusively here at Tameron. So if you would, give me a call, 205-886-0890. You're going to love the way you treat it here at Tameron.